It's me, Akemi 皆様ごきげんよう、Akemi です。Today, we are going to learn about a useful word, toka, which means and in English. In the self-introduction, 自己紹介 video, I said that asking personal questions is rude during the first meeting. But it doesn't mean that you can't ask something personal forever. It depends on the closeness of your relationship, but after the first meeting, it's okay to ask many things. I'm sure that today's words and phrases are useful to get to know each other. We are going to learn the word toka, which has several meanings including such as, among other things, things like, etc. And today we'll focus on how to use toka as and in English. We often use this word. In the last video, we learned how to ask or relay what you like to do in your free time. For example, my hobby is playing games is 趣味はゲームです in Japanese. But we usually have a few or more hobbies such as my hobbies are playing games, traveling, and music. We say 趣味はゲームとか旅行とか音楽とかです Or we say ゲームとか旅行とか音楽とかが好きです which means I love playing games and traveling and music. All the phrases we will learn today are formal, but if you want to say it in a casual way, just omit this. Like ゲームとか旅行とか音楽とかが好き or 趣味はゲームとか旅行とか音楽とか Anyway, practice makes perfect. Please tell your hobbies and try to compose a sentence in the comment section below. If you think it's difficult to say in Japanese, it's okay to type it in English. I will read and correct your grammar mistakes, if any, or translate your English sentence into Japanese. What do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? 趣味は何ですか 趣味は何ですか I love taking photos and painting. 写真を撮ることとか絵を描くこととかが好きです My hobbies are taking photos and painting. 趣味は写真を撮ることとか絵を描くこととかです。写真を撮る is a verb, which means take photos. And if you add こと at the end of a verb, it becomes a gerund. こと is ing in English. I love watching YouTube, eating, and sleeping. YouTube を見ることとか食べることとか寝ることとかが好きです My hobbies are watching YouTube, eating, and sleeping. 趣味は YouTube を見ることとか食べることとか寝ることとかです I love swimming, reading, dancing and taking a nap. 泳ぐこととか読書することとかダンスすることとかお昼寝とかが好きです My hobbies are swimming, reading, dancing and taking a nap. 趣味は泳ぐこととか読書することとかダンスすることとかお昼寝とかです I love learning English, playing the piano, and doing yoga. 英語を勉強することとか、ピアノを弾くこととか、ヨガをすることとかが好きです。My hobbies are learning English, playing the piano, and doing yoga. 趣味は英語を勉強することとか、ピアノを弾くこととか、ヨガをすることとかです。Anyway, I am a professional yoga instructor. Yoga is not my pastime hobby. It's my job. Yoga is very popular among Japanese women. I have launched a new channel under the username Akemi and I'm going to post meditation videos or motivational phrases videos as a yoga tutor there. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my sub-channel Akemi Ihara. I placed the link down below. I love karaoke, movies, and sports. カラオケとか映画とかスポーツとかが好きです。My hobbies are karaoke, movies, and sports. 趣味はカラオケとか映画とかスポーツとかです。I love running and do-it-yourself projects. ランニングとか日曜大工とかが好きです。My hobbies are running and do-it-yourself projects. 趣味はランニングとか日曜大工とかです。I love playing baseball, playing tennis, and drinking. 野球をすることとか、テニスをすることとか、飲むこととかが好きです。My hobbies are playing baseball, tennis, and drinking. 趣味は野球をすることとか、テニスをすることとか、飲むこととかです。I love gardening, cooking, and singing. ガーデニングとか、お料理とか、歌うこととかが好きです。My hobbies are gardening, cooking, and singing. 趣味はガーデニングとかお料理とか、歌うこととかです。I love taking a walk, meditating, and dipping in hot springs. お散歩することとか、瞑想とか、温泉に浸かることとかが好きです。My hobbies are taking a walk, meditating, and dipping in hot springs. 趣味はお散歩することとか、瞑想とか、温泉に浸かることとかです。I love baking cookies and making chocolates. クッキーを焼くこととか、チョコレートを作ることとかが好きです。My hobbies are baking cookies and making chocolates. 趣味はクッキーを焼くこととか、チョコレートを作ることとかです。I love chatting with my friends, spending time with my pets, and writing poems. 友達とおしゃべりすることとか、ペットと過ごすこととか、詩を書くこととかが好きです。My hobbies are chatting with my friends, spending time with my pets, and writing poems. 趣味は友達とおしゃべりすることとか、ペットと過ごすこととか、詩を書くこととかです。I love watching anime and cafe hopping and playing a guitar. アニメを見ることとかカフェ巡りとかが好きです。 My hobbies are watching anime and cafe hopping. 趣味はアニメを見ることとかカフェ巡りとかです。 I love visiting temples and shrines and going to museums. 寺社巡りとか美術館へ行くこととかが好きです。 My hobbies are visiting temples and shrines and going to museums. 趣味は寺社巡りとか美術館へ行くこととかです。 I love watching sunsets and relaxing at home. 夕日を見ることとか家でのんびりすることとかが好きです。 My hobbies are watching sunsets and relaxing at home. 趣味は夕日を見るとか家でのんびりすることとかです。 I love swimming in the ocean and relax at the beach. 海で泳ぐこととかビーチでリラックスすることが好きです。 My hobbies are swimming in the ocean and relax at the beach. 趣味は海で泳ぐこととかビーチでリラックスすることとかです。 That's it! I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and comment below what you like to do in your free time. Let me know your hobbies. Sending you love and I will see you guys next time. Bye! それでは皆様、ごきげんよう。またね。